Okay, so you want to know how to get your XRP address in Binance? Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is to go have a verified account in Binance with your passport, document, etc. Well, the first thing you have to do is to log in into Binance, and then you have to go to deposit here, go to deposit crypto, and wait a few seconds. So here you have to write down XRP, click it, and then you here can select the network that you want to get the address. For example, make an example, you want to use XRP network, so you click it, you click here get address, and as you can see, you can find it here. Okay, if this video was helpful for you and helped, please subscribe, like, comment, share, press the bell, and see you in another easy way video. And remember that there are so many tutorials about cryptocurrency in my channel, so make sure to take a look into it. So goodbye and easy way.